Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series gauge package for the 2002 to 2007 Subaru WRX and STI. In this particular package, you're going to get a 30 PSI Boost vacuum gauge, an oil pressure gauge, and a digital wideband gauge, all featuring a black face with a tinted lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog Boost vacuum gauge with a color change button on the front, a 52mm analog oil pressure gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm wideband gauge with a digital display and a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, full color installation instructions, a 6-foot silicone boost line, a boost line T-fitting with hose clamps, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness for your oil pressure gauge, a wideband control box, a 3-foot data logging output wire, a wideband oxygen sensor, an oil pressure sensor, a mild steel welded bung, a bung plug, an oil galley adapter with a crush washer, a 5-foot wideband power harness, a 7-foot wideband gauge harness, a 10-foot wideband sensor harness, a WRX clock power harness, mounting brackets and hardware, a WRX fiberglass triple gauge dash pod, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.